let's look at the task manager. Right click at the bottom and it shows you physical memory, total cached. So we are right now not using that much memory. Go to system, go to control panel, and go to systems and security, and then you see view amount of RAM, shows you now 8 GB, right? 64-bit operating system. So that's a tremendous improvement. And then you can go to manage my computer. So you go to disk management. So you can right click here and so you do disk clean. So this tells you here how much downloaded stuff you have and cookies and temporary files that you can delete and recover space. The more stuff you have there in the temporary locations, every time the browser loads up, it's going to try and load that up and making it slower and slower. So you can do, the other option you can do is defragmentation. Over a period of time, your disk can get very fragmented as you download a lot of files and create files in the system. And that's basically what it is the same file gets located in multiple places because the contiguous blocks of drive space is not available. So defragmentation will pull that all together, all the space will be recovered and things. So between these three options, you upgrade your memory, you clean your disk, defrag. One other option I would say is, always make a recovery disk and keep. As soon as you bring a new operating system up, you create a new backup and recovery process. So if you did that, what will happen is you can create a system image or a repair disk. You can go back to your version configuration and then start again. Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope it helped.